sky. The trees hang low, their breath held tight. Clouds swell thick in a fading light, but the wind returns, a soft refrain. It whispers life through the leaves again. The river stirs, its song runs deep. A melody wakes where shadows sleep. The sun breaks through a golden sigh, and hope takes root beneath the sky. All of heaven breathes a sigh, the dawn of new words cry. All of heaven breathes a sigh, the dawn of new sky. All of heaven breathes a sigh, the dawn of new earth's cry. Dawn of new weeds cry. The dawn of new